Hello guys, how you doing? In this video I'll explain you how to connect this robot or this like in a car, okay? And then I'll explain how to program this in Arduino. So first of all, what we have here, we have two DC motors, okay? So in the DC motor we have the positive, the negative. I made this because I didn't have black and red wires, but you're gonna use black and red because you already know like um, red is for positive, black is for negative. Okay, so you put the wires here, and then the wires of the motor gonna come here and gonna to connect to this. Okay, so this isn't an Arduino, and now for this, this is in the motor shield. Okay, so in here you can to put the inputs. Okay, so this is for the first motor for the first engine. Okay, and this works for the second one. Okay, so this is positive, positive, negative. Okay, so let's see. We have that on, let's see what pin, and M1 for motor 1, and I have motor 2. Okay, so I'll explain that later when I program this. So first of all, you need to have this. You connect it here to here. This no matter. This is the base or the case. So it no matter. What matter is this. You have to have a DC motor to connect to, and this is a wheel. So you're gonna connect like this, and then you're gonna come here with the wires, positive and negative, and then here too. Okay. So for now, we have our Arduino. I'm gonna send my components in the video in the description. I'm gonna say what components I'm using for do this. So I'll put a positive negative in M1, positive negative in M2. Okay, and what else we have here? This is the most important. Okay, the motors. We have two motors, and I have this. This is for this move forward. Okay, so I can to move this or here. Okay, what else I have? I have my batteries. Okay, this is not 9 volts, 9 volt battery. Okay, but my batteries are with a low power, with a low voltage. So I did the series connection. This is the negative to the positive. So you will to improve or you will to add the voltage from here to here. So if I to measure this with a multimeter, I will get this is like to 5 volts and this like to 7. So I'm getting like 12 volts, and it's okay because the maximum voltage for an Arduino is like 20 volts. So I have my wires for the motors, and then I have the okay. Let me see. This is the positive and the negative where I connect this. I know, guys, this is a mess, but I'm sorry for this. But trust me, I will explain you. So this is the negative, and the negative gonna come here to this. So in this part, you connect the negative. It says round, okay? So it's negative because this goes around, this return to the battery to continue the loop of the movement or the motion of the electrons. And this is the positive. So when I put this here, okay, so my LED turn on. Okay, so what else? Okay, so basically it's just 4 wires, two for the motor 1, two for the motor 2, positive, negative, and negative and positive from the batteries. I have this because I had just one battery. If you can see, it's just positive, negative. I have there something like, let me see. Okay, I had something like this, but this doesn't have a lot of power, so I did a series connection, and then okay. After that, I have here, this is a servo motor. So in servo motor, just can move in 180 degrees or 180 degrees, okay? So like this movement. So I'll connect this. Let me see. It's 1, 2, 3 words. That's gonna come here to this pen. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, and over this, I'll put this. Let's see. Okay, what is this? This is an sensor, ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so basically, this has two inputs, two outputs. I have, or let me see. Let me see. We have here. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so oh my god. So the first one is voltage, and then I have this is trigger. I have echo, and this is ground. Okay, so I'll to connect this like this. Okay, so voltage, the red one is this. This will come here to my voltage supply. So when I pass the energy to here, this will move. Okay, let's see. Why? Because the power can come here, the current, and then it's gonna come here. Okay, so what else? I need a ground for to complete the loop. So I'll put this here. What else? I have this. This is an echo. I'm explaining it when I do my code. I'll put it. Okay, this is A. So I have A0 to 5, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So I'll put it in A1 and my trigger. Okay, my trigger will come here to A0. Oops. And my echo will come here to A1. So that should be working now. Okay. So I think I don't have a lot of voltage. I'm gonna use other batteries later. But this is the mainly connection. So and then I'm gonna do the code and I'm gonna change the batteries for something else with more voltage. So yeah, basically this is my route, and then I will teach how to program this with Arduino.